Hi, I'm Mallory, and I will be doing the tell a story for my speech. My three focus points are varying tone, appropriate pace, and appropriate volume. So the story is sort of why I decided to become a paralegal. Um, I have several experiences that kind of happened all at the same time that made me want to be a paralegal. So, those experiences are a domestic violence dispute with my now ex-husband, divorce, child custody, and child support. So the domestic violence that happened with us, I was assaulted by my then husband for confronting him on finding out that he was unfaithful. He was cheating on me. So he got mad. He attacked me, and um, it was it was awful. So um, I left with my then almost 1 year old son. I filed charges against him the next day, and he was arrested. He went to jail, and within 5 days of that event happening, he filed for divorce. So um, then brings in the divorce part of this. So since I pressed charges against him, he um, he had a criminal case going. Then he filed for divorce. We had a divorce case going. So I then had to um, look for an attorney, and I had to find the right one. And that's pretty hard when you're looking for someone to help you with a criminal case and also a divorce. Um, Divorces are a lot uglier when there are children involved. So this was not an easy task. This started in August of 2015 and ended in November of 2015. I have two children, Sage and Drake. Sage is almost 11 now, and Drake is almost 5. And my ex-husband never calls, never talks to them, never comes to see them. I am here in California, and my ex-husband is in Minnesota. So I decided to file for sole custody in 2016. I did win that case, and I have sole custody, sole physical and sole legal custody of my children. And it just, it's been crazy. So last year, my ex-husband finally saw our children for the first time in 2.5 years, and he saw them twice. The second visit ended up with him in jail. So it was not a pretty visit. I do have a restraining order against him because of the domestic violence, and um, I doubt that he will attempt to see our children again. This story, you may wonder why I'm telling it, but all of these things have um, triggered why I'm here at Bryan University and why I'm going back to school, why I want to be a paralegal. I did almost all of my own paralegal work during all of these legal cases. The criminal stuff, the divorce, the child custody, child support. I did all of my own paralegal work, and my family law attorney is wonderful. She's the one that told me, hey, you should be a paralegal. And it took me about 6 months of thinking about it to think, hey, that's exactly what I should do. I should help other people in the same situations that I've been in. And I openly tell my story and all of the bad things that have happened to me because I want to inspire somebody else. And now I have a wonderful life. I am between jobs because I'm trying to move into the law field and be there for my family a little bit more than what I was doing before. I was commuting and I was gone 3 hours a day just driving in my car. I have a fiance. We're getting married soon, so that's fun. He plans to adopt the kids, adopt my children after we get married so that they are legally his children also. And so that'll be another experience that I will get to add to my repertoire as far as legal stuff. So that'll be fun, and I'm really excited about that. Um, the moral of the story is experiences mold you to who you're supposed to be, and I'm proud of who I am, and I'm proud of everything that has brought me to where I am. And I found my true passion because of the bad things that have happened in my life, and so I'm just super excited to be where I'm at, and I'm super proud of myself for how much I've grown. And yeah, so that's my story. I don't know if it's inspiring to anybody else, but I hope that it can be. There's a lot more details, would take a long time to go through every single detail, but I hope that it can help somebody, and I hope that people can use their own life experiences to help them find their true passion like I did. Thank you.